What do we bring for winter camping? On our ski adventure in Canada, we skied for more than 2 months in the winter of Canada, and we needed to prepare ourselves for temperatures between 0 and minus 40 degrees. So we brought these multi-trailers to bring all our gears. The good thing about this is they have 2 skis, which makes them fast, a harness which fixes you around the body, which makes it a very easy thing to carry all your gear with you. We also have 2 wheels, so we can change the skis for the wheels, which makes it very easy. If you have to walk on the road or you have to go into town, you just take off the skis, you put the wheel in place, and you can easily walk into town, which makes it a very adjustable trailer, which you can also use in other type of adventures. For sleeping, we have a 4-season winter tent that we use, or when it's not too cold or not too windy, we just sleep under our tarp. We use a foam mattress for the isolation on the ground, and for the comfort we have inflatable air mattresses. And because we were expecting temperatures to minus 40 degrees, we have a down sleeping bag with a comfort temperature going to minus 30 degrees, and we had another liner to be able to sleep with minus 40. We have, each of us, a bag of clothes, put in dry bags to make sure that all our clothes keep dry. And when we arrive from skiing in camp, that's the first thing we do. Change the gear, the ski clothes, to our warm, dry camping clothes. We also have a spare set of mittens, and in camp we have these boots, which are big size over boots, and we put a down booty and we just step in these boots, which are very light, have a big surface to walk on the snow, and are very comfortable and easy to carry. We have these big snowshoes, which are actually a little bit too big to take on a normal adventure, but they're very easy to use to make your campsite, your place, more flat and to pack the snow. For cooking, we brought 2 different types of stoves. We have our fuel stove with a lot of extra fuel for in the evening, and we use a small alcohol stove as a spare stove or emergency stove in case our other fuel stove doesn't work. We also use this one in the morning because it's easier and doesn't take much time to clean. We make sure we have enough alcohol with us, we have enough fuel with us to boil enough water, because melting snow into water takes a lot of fuel and a lot of time. We have 3.5 liters of thermo bottles. Every night we make sure we fill up our bottles by melting snow. This is a capacity of 3.5 liters that we can carry with us. These 2 bags are filled with food. We, depending on the distance between towns, we had most of the time food for 6-7 days, and we always brought, in case of emergency, 2 days extras of food, because you never know the winter conditions if you're got stuck by a winter storm. Most of the food is dry food or dehydrated food, because in winter everything freezes, so you cannot bring any liquids for winter camping. For the skiing, we use just normal backcountry skis. The width is 78 millimeters, which is perfect for some trails, not in really deep snow, but on trails where snow scooters have been traveling, or where there's icy trails where the snow is packed. We use this. Our terrain that we were traveling was little mountainous, so we brought a set of short and long skins to climb up more, or when the trail is very icy, then you can also use skins to have more grip and more comfort for the skiing. We have a shovel to prepare our campsites. We take a saw if we want to make a fire. We have a brush, which is super handy to clean up the snow of your skis, the bags, your shoes. For the winter camping, for placing a tent, winter tent stakes. We have two types of solar lights. One of them is also can be used to charge small devices like a GPS or a phone. We use a emergency system, a messenger system in case of emergency, or to send a message to friends and family every day to notice them where we are. And we have a very big bag with all the camera gear, laptop, all the things that needs to be dry, safe, in this very sturdy bag. During the skiing, we use a day pack like this. Both of us had a day pack, and we carry the things that we want to have close to our body, like camera, a down jacket, water, some small snacks, emergency messenger system, sunglasses, all the things that you don't want to take off the trailer and have close to your body. And that's basically it.